Sanibonani, ninjani? Good morning, sondelani. Ngithe into yokuqala mengena la, pressa like, cindezela, say or leave a comment. Lento ngeke ikuthathele ngisho lutho vela awunalutho. Awuna next. Press like. I never know more into okay, angisanithithi ngiyanicela guys, please before you watch the video, just press like. Press noma ungazi, leave a comment. Ngisho ngathi ke baby daddy left me, or my man left me, or my mother of my kids is leaving me, or I'm broke, I'm happy. Just leave anything. It does not matter. Okay, so ndelani lana ke baba ka Enzo noma ka Enzo. It's something new. Julius Malema uthe zalanani nande njengethuku zeni nande nifana nezinyoka nibe baningi nifana namachwane nibe baningi othi Zuma no Zuma man izuma siyasithakaza. Sorry Julius Malema. Oh shembe ningixolele. Yakuthakaza lobe MK. Okay guys, let me be serious. Julius Malema was talking with manifesto yabo lento nje wakuzovota manje. Uthe Julius Malema please asinazisa ukuthi ucela nizale kungabe khona umuntu uzoba nengane eyodwa ayoyiposta njalo ke kuze kuyoshaya ingane ize bena 15 years lokhu uposta nje ingane yamqanda. Uthe Zalani beba u15 maba u20 per household. Yena he will make sure ukuthi grant from 350 is going up now to 510 rand. How much is the grant? The kids grant? I don't know. But this money for the kids. Okay, because I don't know how much is the kids money. This money that's all anytime I'm a boost no shwama. How much is that money? Okay, that money is going up. The money that you guys get for free for kids. If you're getting 200 rand per child, now you're gonna get it 500, 510, 510. So that means 5 plus other 5 for 10. No, 1,000, and then number 5 for 1,000. So if you together, yeah. So 5 about 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4,000, right? Yeah. So if you're going to no 4,000, upanze ngengane yokugcina uzoba no 5,000. Nalabo 10 rand because uthe is 510 rand. Oh, yeah, 5,000. Not 5,000 each child. 5,000, 5,000. If we go to 5,000 each child, it means 5,000, 10,000, 20. No, 5,000, 20,000. No man, 5,000, 10,000, 20. 5,000, 10,000, 15,000, 20,000. 4 kids, 20,000. 5 kids. 25, 20. All right, please akusimlaleleke izikhulumele angiyazi.
Comrades, enzana abantwana ngizawukhokhela mna because siyayidabula a child grant from 510 to 1,020 rand because our children deserve better. Don't be lazy. Please, don't be lazy. Enzana abantwana SG lingalali. When we leave here, sicela ukuthi nibe busy. Please. And I don't care whether you are poor or not, enzana abantwana. We must multiply ourselves. We must leave legacy through our own children. They say to me, why do you say people must make children? They are poor. How are they going to feed these children? I was born to a poor family. Being born in a poor family does not mean you are going to die poor. You can change that family and make it a better family.